Introducing the 2023 Acura Integra. Show the world your style in this sophisticated Integra. Its bold looks and premium craftsmanship signal a fresh new feeling of excitement underpinned by zesty performance, high safety scores, and impressive fuel efficiency. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, power passenger seat, active suspension, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control, keyless start. Don't miss out on the fun you could be having in this sporty Integra. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.